Good morning, my dear students. Today we are live right now. Today we are live now on the platform of our student guideline online classes. Okay. So firstly we have tell math in our guideline a student guideline channel will be start today and first video upload of class 6 math, and in that period we have discussed about math in RS Agarwal and NCERT also. We are also know in that time COVID, due to COVID-19, all the students schools are not open, it means closed, and so many students are live at home, and whatever what I do, all the students say sir whatever doing at home. So firstly we have I think also start that a student guideline online channel, and that first video today about math class 6. So come on the board, let's topic a student guideline classes and class of 6 subject maths and NCERT plus Agra. Firstly we have say about RS Agarwal and NCERT math. First, in NCERT math, I think 17-18 chapter, and in RS Agarwal math, 25th chapter. So students are confused, and I also confused which type of video uploading on the internet in my sites. So firstly, I think both books, it means RS Agarwal and NCERT, merge the book, and I think which type of video provide by me. First, RS Agarwal and NCERT both merged book, and first chapter is number system. So come on the board. That first chapter name is number system. In maths we have divided in number system in firstly two part. First part is Hindu, Arabic, number system. Okay, first part is Hindu Arabic number system, and second part is Roman number system. Our first chapter name is number system. So firstly, in my side, in math side, we are divided in two parts of math. First, in Hindu Arabic number system and Roman number system. Hindu Arabic number system and Roman number system. Firstly, students, you write just like one topic, and after that we have discussed in part by part. Okay. So first our topic is number system, and we have divided in two parts. First part is Hindu Arabic number system and Roman number system. Okay. So and after that comparing of numbers. In comparing of number, I divide in four part. Okay. So first greatest number, smallest number, ascending order and descending order. So firstly we have tell about something in greatest number. If it means just like here 8 and 9. So first what is greatest number? Okay. So first here just like in greatest number 8 and 9. So first here fill in the blanks, and all students are know in before when you study in 4th class, 5th class, and before classes, firstly using greater than, equal to, and more than. Okay, so first 8 and 9. So which is greater than? So first 9 is greater than y. 9 is greater than 8. So first that's a greatest number, and a smallest number, it means 8 is smaller than 9. And if another example for just like here 90 and 90, that's both are equal, it means 19 is equal than 19. Okay, another number system in greatest number, smallest number. Okay, and after that we have discussed about ascending order. Okay, so first ascending order, ascending means a smallest to greatest number. Okay, and last one is descending order. Descending order means greatest to a smallest number. Okay, listen my dear students, so that's a starting topic, just like a starting topic, and you also pause the video and take a screenshot and write it also. Okay, I leave that some time points. Okay, so in last time greater than, a smaller, a smallest number, greatest number, and ascending order and descending order. So first example for just like 880 and 800. So firstly you suggest which is more than and which is less than. Okay, so first 880 and here 800. So which is greater than? It means 880 is greater than 800. Okay, so that type of thing. Okay, so just like here underline that, it means 880 is more than 800. Okay, another points here, just like a smaller, which is a smaller than. Okay, so 666 and 900 only. Okay, so first 900 is more than 666. It means another types of usage, 666 is less than 900. Okay, so here put the thing that types of. Okay, and another types, just one example for on the board, and ascending order and descending order. So first ascending means, I have also told ascending means smallest to greatest number, smallest to greatest number. So firstly, which is smallest? It means 80, only 8. So that's the first very easy topic. I say firstly you count the number 1 2 3. It means 1 tens 100, here 1 tens, here 1 tens 100. So firstly only 2 points. It means 1s and tens. So first 80 is a smaller than. Okay, so write ascending, sorry, 80. And next, that's a symbol of is greater than, it means 18 is less than 800. Another 1 tens 100, 800, 1 tens 100, 800, both are equal. But second topic is 800, 1 tens, it means 10 80, 8 yani 80s, here 0, it means which is more than 800, and last one is 880. Okay, so that's a ascending order. And next topic is descending order. So firstly you to just like same process, 880, 80 and 800 only. So 880 is 880. Okay, and next 800, and last one is 80 only. Okay, so that's an example of ascending and descending. You don't worry, so that's only for just like a topic, you go in topic wise. And another topic we have also write. Okay, so come to the point. And next topic is place value chart. That's a very important for number system. In place value chart, I divide in two parts, place value and face value. Okay, so firstly what is place value? Okay, and after that what is face value? Clear? So place value, just like one example for you here, 800. Okay, and next 806, and here 8 and 9, 899. So first place value of your question, write the place value of 8 only. Okay, place value of 8 only. And that's the first topic is 8, here also 8, 1s tens 100, it means multiple of 100 is equal to 800. Okay, and next one is 1s tens, it means 8 multiple of 10 is equal to 80. That's a place value. Okay, so that's a place value. And next, just same example of place value of 8, just here 180. So your question is face value of 8. So what is the number of face value of 8? It means in face value you write only 8. That's the same. It means which digit is you see on the board, that's the right answer. Okay, that's the right answer. It means 8 is the 8 face value of 8 is equal to 8. If another question added here, write the write the face value of 2. Write the face value of 2. It means 2 face value of 2 is equal to only 2. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, is that clear? Next topic, Indian system. You read about Indian system. After that you read about international system. Next, uses of commas and and next estimation of the number. Estimation of the number means nearest of the tens, nearest of the 100, nearest of the 1000. Okay, next and last topic is Roman number. I think all students also read in before 5th classes, 4th classes, number system, sorry, Roman number. Okay, so Roman number, what is Roman number? Roman number is also just like a B, C, and after that it means A to Z. That comes in Roman number. Is that clear? And in number system 0 to 9. 0 to 9 number system made with the help of 0 to 9, and Roman number with the made with the help of A to Z. Okay, is that clear? So come to the points. Our first topic. In first topic, I also write on the board, and you also write on the in the copy, number system. Okay. So all students write number system. So first, what is number system? A number system is defined as a system of writing for expressing number. Okay. And after that, it is the mathematical narration of representing numbers of given set by using digits or another symbol of the constant manners. It means just like a number system. It means just like here 8, 8, 2. Okay, and write 2, 2, 3, and after that write you many types of just like a in number system. Okay, and next topic is our Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system. We use 10 symbol. It means we use 10 symbol, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Here you also write 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Called digit. Is called digit or figures. Digit or figures to represent any numbers. It means in Hindu-Arabic number we have represent the number system with the help of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Next, you and another type just like a group of digit denoting the represent of number. It means if you write any group, okay, so that's our topic, and you also write and take a screenshot. Sometime so I think all students take a screenshot. Yeah, pause your video and write the some points just like a number system and Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, so make it fast. Okay, our next topic is comparing of the number. It means when I also taught the topic and I also write on the board just like here as smallest number and greatest number, and also write the sign of is greater than and equal to. Okay, so that's an example. It means a smallest number. First, a smallest number. If just like write on the board one example is 803, and after that fill in the blanks and write 2, 3 and 8, and another example of 2, 3, 4 and write here also 2, 3, 3, and next example is 3, 2, 0 and 2, 2, 0. Okay, that's the first 832 and 238. So firstly suppose you think which is greater than and which is a smaller than. Okay, that's the first 832. Firstly you read 8 ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, and here ones, tens, 100. It means 100 plus 8. It means 832, and here 200. It means ones, tens, 100, 238. Which is greater than and which is a smaller than? The first 832 and 238, which is greater than? Firstly you take one last digit, sorry. Okay, here 8 and write 2, which is greater than and which is a smaller than? So 8 is greater than 2, so you also use the sign of greater than. So that means 832 is 238 large than greatest than. Okay, it means here 832 and 238 is greater than. Next topic 230 and 233. Okay, so 200 and 200 both are equal. Another second topic is 30 and 30 10 place in 3 and 3, it means 30 and 30 both are equal, and last one in, it means ones place is 3 and here 0. So which is greater than and which is smallest than? Okay, so first 230 and 233, so 3 is more than, it means 233 is greater than 230. That's your answer. It means 230 is smaller than 233. Both are equal. Okay. Next, last example of 220. And here 220. What I say in starting? Firstly you take ones place, tens and hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. It means 200. Ones, tens, it means 2, it means 20, and last one is here another type, another parts, ones, tens, 100, 200, and next tens place is 2, it means 20, and last one ones place is 0, it means 0. 220 and here also 220, so both are equal, so your answer is equal to, it means 220 is equal to 220. That's our example. Repeat once again, a smallest number and greatest number. What is the smallest number and what is greatest number? It means if you have one number, just like a 8 and another parts of 9. So first 9 is greater than 8 and as 8 is smaller than 9. That's your example and that's your topic. Okay, so write the example and repeat it. Okay, so come to the points. Our next topic in ascending, it means arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. So I also told in when I have taught topic that the ascending order. So firstly, what is ascending number? When number is arranged in smallest to greatest, it means smallest to greatest number is called ascending number या order. Okay. So that's called ascending order. Okay, so just like example. So firstly, I write on the also board 881, 239, 222, and 1000. It means what's your just like here smallest to greatest. It means smallest to greatest. So firstly, you find which number is smallest number. Firstly, you read ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. It means you also find that's the thousand. It means greatest number. That's the greatest number. And what you find? Firstly, smallest number. It means ones, tens, hundred. 100 places 2. Here also 100 places 2, and here also 100 places 8. Both are 2. It means 200 and 200. So another part. It means. Okay, and next is tens place is 20 and here 30. So you also write here 3 and here 10, which is greater than, it means 3 is greater than 2. So what you find? A smallest number. It means that is a smallest number. So that's a first. It means 220, right? And what you write? It means write greater than 222 is greater than. What you find? Another number. That's the number is finished. And next number. Here greatest number, and both are two numbers. It means here 800 and here third place in 200. So that's a less than 881. So you also write 239. Okay, and two numbers is finished. Next 881 and 1000. So you also write on the board also. It means 1000 is greatest number, and last one is 881. So write here, and both three numbers are finished, and last one is 1000. So you also write here 1000. So that's the answer of arranging in ascending order. So after that, it means when number is arranged in smallest to greatest is called ascending number. Next topic is descending order. Descending number. So when number is arranged in greatest to smallest digit is called ascending number या order. It means which number is arrange in greatest to smallest number. That's called descending order, a descending number. Okay, so just one example for you: 1999, 200, 1001, 4900, 4900. Okay, 4900. So first what I say, firstly you read on the number. It means ones, tens, hundred and thousands here. Ones, tens, hundred and thousands here. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Both are two numbers in thousand. Two numbers in thousand. So what you find? It means greatest number 1000 and here 4000. Which is greater than? It means 1 and 4. Which is greater than? It means 4. 4 is greater than 1. So you, okay, so come to the points. It means here 4000 and here 1000. Which is greater than? 1 and 4. 4 is greater than 1. So you also write 4900 here. 4900 here. It means that's the greatest number. What is the number of greatest number? Okay, another. After it means one number is finished. Next 1000, 1100 and 1000 only. So 1001 and 1000 only. So that's the first digit. It means 1 and 0. 1 and 0. It means 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. So you write 1001. 1001. That's the second number is also finished. And last, next 1999, 200. It means 1000 is greater than. So write 1000 here. It means 3-digit number is finished. And last 2-digit number left, 999 and 200 only. So 999 and 200. It means third place. It means third place is 9 and here also 2. Which is greater than? You write here 2 and write here 9. So 9 is greater than 2. So write 999 is third number of the third number. And last one is which is left? It means 200. That's your answer. So repeat again. Descending order. It means when number is arranged in greatest to a smallest digit. A smallest digit is called descending order. That's an example for you. Write on the board. And I think you also pause the video and take a screenshot and make it fast. Make it faster, students. So our next topic is place value charts. Okay. So I also divide in two parts. First, in part of place value chart, place value, and after another part is face value. So what is place value and what is face value? So write on the board place value. Okay, the place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon the place it occupies in the place value chart. It means says when we defined, yeah, just like an example of place value chart. Firstly, it means which number, which digit of the number that's a multiple of the points. It means just like here 8. So what is the place of the number? Ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. So 8. Here 8 and here 800. Ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens, 100. It means 800. So that's the multiple of 100 is equal to 800. Another part 8. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 here. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It means 8 is the multiple of 10,000 is equal to 8000. 8000. So listen, dear students. Tomorrow we have also discussed about the place value and face value chart. How to make the chart of the place value and face value. Firstly, you write in copy. You write on own copy. The place value of the digit of the number depends upon the place value it occupies in the place value chart. That's your example. Okay. So you write. Okay, so our next topic is face value. Okay, so firstly tell what is face value. It means the face value of digit remains as it is whatever place it may be occupying in the place value chart. It means says Just like a one example here, that's a 5 and that's a 5. Your question says you write the face value of 5 only. So what I say in a starting topic, that's a face value means what says your number, that's your answer. In place value, what digit of the number your answer. But in face value, what says your number, it means that number is 5, so your answer is 5. If question says what is the face value of 3, that's 3 is answer. But another example, just like what is the place value of 5, what is the place value of 5 is 5. You write 5 here, and what is the digit number? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So that's a multiple of thousand. Okay, so what's the answer? 5,000 only. Okay, that's the place value. And what is the face value? It means 5 only. That's your answer. Okay. So okay, my dear students, that's our new channel. So you also like, subscribe and comment. Okay, so that's a part A. It means number system part A video 2 days, and tomorrow I also upload part 2 videos. Like, share and comment. So which students not write, so pause the video and write in your copy. So okay, bye bye, good night.